1979 Chevrolet Malibu Coupe to take a look at here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This particular car has kind of got that sleeper look to it. Underneath the hood, 383 stroker, and it sounds healthy. We're going to fire it up here in a little bit. Let you hear it run. Check out the engine bay. Go over some more of the info underneath there. Power steering, power brakes. 383 strokers paired up with a 200 R4 automatic transmission with overdrive. So this thing will go down the highway nicely. As you can see, light blue metallic paint, 22 on the paint code. So it appears to be very similar as it would have been produced back in 1979 from Chevrolet. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front. Headlight surrounds, chrome grille, or excuse me, chrome bumper and grille. See the condition of that. Paint shows well on this one, and you'll be able to check that out in the still pictures. See this car from every angle, top to bottom, inside and out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Now, when you check out those still pictures, look at the underside of this car. A very, very nice shape. Well done. Centerline polished wheels, radial tires. BF Goodrich, I believe it is. And then look up and down this car. You can see how straight it is. Does not appear that there's a bunch of body work, anything like that, according to the previous owner. Very solid car to start with before a little of the restoration work was done. As you can see, aftermarket tack on the steering column, a couple aftermarket gauges, stereo, blue interior. And we'll check out that interior a little closer, get over to the driver's side. Like I said, we're going to start it up. I'll go through some of the interior info with you also. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There's also a folder of some miscellaneous receipts and information that will go along with this car and be shipped with it. See the rear chrome bumper, paint, taillights. Also shows well in this car. Around to the driver's side. Again, take a look up and down the length of it. This car's not full of, nicks, dings, scratches, anything like that. Again, shows well. This is a car you can get into the classic car hobby, enjoy, have something with some horsepower, and you know what? You're not breaking the bank. You're not up in there in the $40,000, $50,000 muscle car range. Getting this one, drive it, have some fun. Remember that overdrive automatic transmission. Go down the highway nicely. All right, door panels, some custom speaker mounts built in there. Take a look at the underside of the door and the pictures too, as well as the underside of this car. Definitely look at that. Headliner also in good shape. Seats free of rips, tears. Holes in the seats. All right. Let's fire this up, let you hear it run. It's like I said, 383 stroker, and it sounds good. Odometer reads 47,289. Cannot confirm or deny if that's original, due to the fact once the car is a certain age, the miles do not stay on the title with it. It becomes exempt. Aftermarket tack. See, that is working. Oil pressure, water temps. That was a cold start. Here's your oil pressure. Looking good there. Hear this thing idle. Definitely a little cam to her. Aftermarket stereo, JVC, AM, FM, CD player, and that is in fine working order. Wipers work, blower fan works. There are a couple cracks on the dash. There's one here. There's one over kind of in this vicinity. I have them in the still pictures, and I think one way down at this end. They're nothing terrible. About 3 light ones through there. Check out the still pictures. They're in there. Somebody put a dash mat on it so they won't get any worse. Cover them up. Listen to that. Like I said, this car's got that sleeper look to it. Especially when you fire it up. Check out what's underneath the hood. All behind this here, I think. Definitely healthy. video, let's pop the hood. Let's check out that engine bay, check into some of the particulars.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Underside the hood first. Nice and clean and tidy. And here's that engine bay. The power steering, power brakes, Headman headers. Those end up flowing through flow masters as far as the mufflers. So you got a nice exhaust note to it. It's like an HEI, high voltage ignition system back there. Look how smooth that engine sits and runs. The Holly intake. Looks like a Holly carb as well. Nice tight looking engine bay. Heater hose is connected, as you can see. Yeah, this car would be a fun one. Definitely a good time. Take your local roll-ins, local car shows. You won't have to be embarrassed about having the hood open on this one. Wow, it's a smooth runner. 1979 Chevrolet Malibu. Nice looking coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.